Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by exporting the geographic features you need from Google Earth Pro. Select place marks, paths, or polygons and save them as KML or KMZ. This preserves coordinates and shape. Once done, make sure the file uses WGS84 coordinates so Autocad interprets locations correctly. If you have imagery overlays, export them separately as image files with world files. This first step creates the geospatial data package you'll convert into CAD-ready vectors. Now convert the KML/KMZ into a CAD format. You can use Autocad Map 3D's import or a trusted converter to produce DWG or DXF. Set the coordinate system to WGS84 so points stay accurate. During conversion, you often need to clean topology, merge close vertices, simplify curves, and assign layers for lines versus polygons. Once converted, open the DWG in Autocad and verify scales and units. This avoids misaligned elements and makes subsequent drafting straightforward. Finish by placing and refining the imported geometry inside Autocad. Insert the DWG at the correct insertion point and scale, then assign layers and adjust snap/grid for precise drafting. Convert polylines to polylines or splines as needed so you can trim, offset, and dimension. If things go wrong, first check for coordinate system mismatch or unit errors. Undo and re-import after correcting CRS. Also inspect the original KML for complex or corrupted elements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.